The new exhaust blower came for our furnace. I have a video oiling the other one. Make sure you turn the power off. That's 516 right there. Undo this. There's 3 of them. And unplug the wires. These are 516 as well. It comes with a new one, so I'll only undo the one. Take this hose clamp, put it on the new one. And there's different areas where you can do it depending on your furnace. Mine happens to be the one that doesn't have the caps. Looks like I have to take this off because it doesn't fit inside of there. Because of this. This here. This should fit right on that ring. Okay, yeah, it does. See right here, you can see I'm on the top of it, and then see right there, you can see it's slipping in. You can plug the hoses in. The small one went here. The big one here. Ground of the motor was on this screw. And then to connect the power, this one goes here. On the sensor, the power does. The black is the power. The white is the neutral. And it's ready to be fired up. Turn the power on. Flames have a lot of bass. And it's all done.